Hello everybody, I'm a Rainbow, and I'm going to help you unpair and pair your controller. This is helpful if you've got a new one or maybe if you're having controller drift. First thing you have to do is jump into the Meta app on your smartphone. Then you're going to go to Headset Settings, select Controllers, pick the controller you want to unpair, unpair controller, unpair one more time. Then you just have to wait. Now go back to the main menu, verify it's not there, and it's not. All right, now go to Headset Settings again, Controllers, and hit Pair New Controller. Select the controller that you want to pair. In this case, it's the right. Now you have to press the Meta and the B keys and hold them for 4 seconds. Once that's done, the controller's paired, hit continue, hit done, and then we're going to go back to the main menu. Controllers connected, all is well. If repairing your controller did not help your issue, you might want to try a factory reset. I have that linked in the description below. If the reset doesn't do you, I can show you how to clean your controller to eliminate drift. That's also linked in the description below. Last but not least, someday you're going to end up swapping out the transducer or the joystick, and I've got a procedure for that. All right, everybody, I'm a Rainbow. I hope that was helpful. Y'all be good. Take care now. Bye-bye.